to you by Batman.
Dear Paige, my daughter is 6 years old and she has a lot of energy. Unfortunately, she likes to touch the electrical sockets in our house, and no matter what I tell her, she never seems to get the message that electricity sockets are dangerous. What can I do to prevent her from turning into fried chicken before her time is yet come? From that guy with the dry eyes in the sky with apple pie. Dear Mr. Guy, children are like tractors. The only way to keep them from turning off the wrong path is to guide them and steer them through life. They're also like tractors, because you should probably hop off their backs if they are planning on head-on collisions. The point is, the only way to prevent your kid from killing herself is to set an example for why the sockets are dangerous. Unfortunately, back when I was in high school band, we made up this music video that required one of us to be zapped by 10,000 volts of electricity, which by my calculations is enough to make my head explode up to 6 times. I was the one who volunteered for the job, and since you brought it up, I figured I would use this time to present to you my music video. So without further ado, here's my video.